Wow, these cupcakes look delicious. But they'll look even better with fruit on top.
Mom! Mom! I want my hair like my doll's!
That's nice, sweetie.
I don't think you understand.
I'm busy, Annie.
Aw, but I look so pretty.
I amaze myself sometimes. I should be on a cooking show. Oh, my hands are messy.
We could have been twins.
I think I know what to do.
Mom? What are you doing?
You want to look like your doll, don't you? The juice from the blackberries will color your hair. I'll rub it into your hair. There's no need for expensive hair coloring. All I have to do is squeeze more berries. It'll smell great and be easy to wash out. That should do it. What do you think?
Wow! I love it! It's like looking in a mirror. We look so glamorous.
And now I can finish baking.
Hi, Betty! Oh, hey! Ready for class? Oh, someone's messaging.
There's nothing like a pampering session. I can't wait to try this face mask. My skin is gonna glow. And now I'll relax. Wait, I'll watch my favorite show. That's better. Dream of long, luscious locks? Want to feel the wind in your hair? Wow, so chic. So elegant. It really is. My hair never looks like that. I have serious hair envy right now. It's so unfair. Use super awesome hair gel. Whoa! That's just what I need. I want it! Wait, how much? What? I can't afford that! Just look at her flicking her hair. She thinks she's so special. Ugh, and now I have goo in my hair. Hold on. I have an idea. So long, fancy hair gel. I don't need your gel. I have a face mask. I'll just rub it over my hair. I want to make sure it's coated. That should do it. I'm done with this. I'll let it work its magic. Then I'll wash it out. Wow, my hair is so soft and shiny. It feels so healthy. Oh, the fancy hair girl. Great, she's still there. Hey! Check it out. It looks good, huh? All I used was this face mask. Oops. And all it cost was $5. Are you kidding me? It's sushi time! It looks good, huh?
I'm good. I'll stick with my yogurt.
Well, it's you that's missing out. It looks tasty. It's my favorite. It's so good. I could eat this every day. Enjoy! Betty! Wait! What? What is it? Let me take a photo of you. Oh, good idea. How's this? Oh yeah, work it. Take a look. Oh, okay. Right. Annie? Can you zoom in? Ooh, that's not good. Do my lips always look like that? They're so dry. That's so annoying. I just wanted one good photo. Maybe go easy on the wasabi.
Oh yeah, that looks great.
Check it out! They all look great! Wait, that's the one. Post it! You've got it! Do I have any likes? Wait. Whoa! What is it? You're going viral! Wow! Look at that! I'm so happy! Hello, my adoring fans! You're so kind. Mwah! Mwah! I love you all! What's your best beauty hack? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos just like this one. For many girls out there, donning a face full of makeup feels a lot like having superpowers. But what happens when they're taken away? Oh, are you serious? Some rules are meant to be broken. Huh? We're a bunch of plain Janes! What's going on?
Hello, girls. This is a no makeup zone. Got it?
Ugh, I knew we should have called in sick today. Another glorious Monday.
Betty? That sparkly jewelry.
Oh my! It's new!
Great minds think alike.
Okay, that was weird.
Bella! Look over here! It's just a disguise. See? It's just lip balm. No makeup allowed, remember?
That's brilliant!
Wanna make your own? Cut off a stick of your favorite colored lipstick. Now get it to melt completely. Then put it into a little container. Nice and creamy. Don't forget the cap. Now take a big medallion like this. Put some hot glue on the back. Then stick on the container before it dries. Pretty cool, huh? So easy!
Me next!
What's going on over there? Ooh, we're connected souls.
So smooth!
This next lesson is Is Bella putting on lip gloss? In the middle of my lecture? I'm putting a stop to this. Perfect. And the rest?
Ugh, fine. Must have crept into my pocket.
And?
Well, I guess the jig is up, huh? Now this is all my stuff, okay? Almost forgot about this guy.
You happy? Sure am.
Ugh.
And you, Betty? Smuggling any eyeshadow these days?
Who? Me? All I have is this stuff.
Such a good student. Now back to the lesson.
Phew. Luckily, Teach didn't look too close. She would have seen that my crayons were just makeup in disguise. What kind of crayons are those? To make these, use a blade to cut off the wrapper. Remove the crayon and stick in your favorite makeup pencil. Then use clear glue to seal the wrapper. Quick! Before it dries! Nice! Just one more step. Can't leave any wood showing. Then stick it right back in the box. This hack is genius!
Girls?
We're just taking notes, see?
Oh, very well then.
You're ready. Now you can go play.
Wow, thanks, Mom!
Now I can finally relax. I've been looking forward to this. Oh, Annie. You're back.
Yep, I had so much fun!
What happened to your hair? Wait a second. I'll start by pulling your hair into a bunch. And then I'll braid it. Now I need my cupcake. Well, just the case. I've cut a hole in the bottom. I can slide it over Annie's braid. Then I'll wrap it inside. These pins look like cake decorations. I've heard of a hair bun.
This is awesome, Mom! Thanks!
Your hair won't get messy now. Give it a shake.
You're the best!
Have fun, sweetie. Whew. Made it by the stick. Hope this can cover it all. I did it! There. Nice and smooth. Nothing to see here.
Where did your zit go?
You and your imagination.
You just had… where'd your makeup go? Maybe I need new glasses.
Could this class get any more boring?
What's that? Rules are rules. You just earned yourselves a test. Ta-da!
Ugh.
Ooh, this chalk dries out my hands. Look at them! Well, I do have hand cream. Is this too hypocritical? Ah, there.
The nerve! Is she really using my lotion?
Oh no, this isn't good.
Shame! You must be punished!
Please, I'm only human! Definitely not worth it. Or I could just be sneaky with it. How have I never thought of this? Have a glue bottle? Pour out all of its contents. Nobody's watching me, right? Now for the secret ingredient. Hand cream looks an awful lot like glue. And you're done! What a brilliant hack! My hands will be dry no more. Oh, that's good. Bella? Is that glue on her hands? Oh, that's soft. Time for round 2!
Has she officially lost it?
Everything's fine. Is the coast clear? It's eyeshadow time! Excuse me. You know the rules. Hand it over. Back to work. Ooh. Psst, psst. Looks like paint, right? Replace the paint with makeup. They're the right size, see? No one will ever know. Just a stroke of a brush, you… They're busy drinking their tea! They don't even see us! What happened? And what are we wearing? Oh god! Ah! That dress! It sure fits like a glove. And the shoes! I think I could get used to this. And you! Me? I guess it's not so bad. Okay, times are changing, people! Woohoo! We're seeing clearly now! I guess they've never heard of contacts.
I can't believe it! I got an F in the exam. I thought it was gonna be much worse. Meh, who cares? I've got more important things to do. Like dancing! Woohoo! Oh yeah! Oh, Annie, you're home! How was school? What's this? You got an F? Hey! Stop it! What's wrong? I was in the zone! Not anymore. You need to study. But I hate studying. Mom! I don't care. Get started. This is so unfair. Let's get this over with. But I hate studying. Just take it easy. Huh? Who could that be? Hello?
Hi, Mrs. Annie's mom. Can I play with Annie?
No!
Huh? Okay. That was weird. Now what am I supposed to do? Hold on. I have an idea! I know how I can see Annie, but I'm gonna have to be sneaky. Let's do this! First, I need my leggings. I'll cut them in half. I don't need these anymore. And I can remove my hair clips. I'll place the leggings over my head. Ooh, this feels funny. Next, I'll need a wig. I always keep one handy for emergencies. I love playing dress-up. I look like my granny. I can't wear this. That's more like it. Now I need to get into character. I have to be serious. Knock, knock.
For the last time!
I'm Annie's teacher.
Come on in. Is this about the exam result? I'm so glad you're here. Show no mercy!
Hello, Annie. Huh? What do you want? I'll show you. Woohoo! What's going on? What are you waiting for? It's me! Come on, let's have some fun!
Whoa! You're like a master of disguise! This is awesome! Woo! Huh? What's all the noise? That doesn't sound like studying. What's going on in here?
We're just over here doing some algebra.
It must be really exciting. I'll leave you to it.
You're doing great, Annie.